Imagine this. It's February 23, 2026. Wall Street's buzzing. Tech giants like IBM have ruled for decades, raking in billions maintaining ancient code no one understands. COBOL, the dinosaur language powering banks, governments, airlines, keeps them fat and happy. Trillions of lines of it, brittle as glass, impossible to touch without catastrophe. Then boom, Anthropic drops a demo. Their AI, Claude, rewrites COBOL into modern Java overnight. Flawless. Fast. Free. IBM stock tanks 13% in hours, the worst drop in 25 years. $50 billion wiped out. This isn't just a stock blip. It's the spark of the COBOL apocalypse. A story of hubris, AI rebellion, and an economy teetering on the edge. Buckle up, we're diving deep. Hit like if you're ready for the fallout. Our story starts in 1959. Grace Hopper, a Navy admiral with a mind like a steel trap, invents COBOL. Common business-oriented language. Simple English-like code for punch-card machines. Banks loved it. Governments too. By the 1970s, it's everywhere. IRS tax systems, Social Security, airline reservations, Wall Street trades. Fast forward to 2026. 80% of financial transactions still run on COBOL. 220 billion lines of it worldwide. The U.S. government alone has 60 million lines in the Pentagon, 40 million at the IRS. British Airways? COBOL. FedEx? COBOL. Change it? One glitch crashed Japan's stock exchange for days in 2021. Enter IBM Big Blue. They've been the COBOL kings for 60 years. Mainframes like Z16 hum in data centers, charging $100 million a pop plus $1 billion annual maintenance. Governments pay. Banks pay. Why? No one knows how to maintain this beast. COBOL coders? Retiring dinosaurs earning $100,000 plus a year. IBM's moat. Expertise no AI could touch. Or Anthropic. Founded 2021 by ex-OpenAI rebels. Their weapon, Claude, a safety-first AI beast. Not flashy like GPT. Precise. Ruthless. On February 23rd, they tweet a bombshell. Claude 3.5 just modernized a 1,000-line COBOL banking app to Java. 0 errors. 10x faster. Demo drops. Viewers watch ancient code, riddled with go-to-spaghetti morph into clean, scalable microservices. What took teams months? Seconds. Cost? Pennies via API. CNBC screams, IBM is the latest AI casualty. Detroit News. Shares plummet after Anthropic says AI can modernize COBOL. NDTV profit. IBM's business model at risk. IBM's Z Systems? 60% profit from mainframes. $15 billion yearly. Now, obsolete. Why buy IBM Iron when Claude ports your legacy to AWS for free? So they thought. Picture the chaos. Pre-market, IBM trades at $250. Anthropic tweet hits. Shares dive. Buy close. $217. Minus 13%. Biggest single-day fall since 2001 .com bust. CNBC TV 18 calls it stock crash. Big Blue latest Anthropic AI fears casualty. TechFlow post. IBM business model shattered. Why so brutal? Investors smell blood. JP Morgan estimates. $1 trillion in global COBOL migration spend at risk. IBM's not alone. Autos, Fujitsu mainframe peers down 8%. But IBM? They bet the farm on COBOL immortality. CEO Arvind Krishna touted AI-infused mainframes last quarter. Laughable now. Geopolitical ripple. U.S. banks, 80% COBOL, face Y2K 2.0 without IBM. India, PSU banks like SBI run COBOL too. Your portfolio watchlist just got riskier. Why couldn't this happen sooner? COBOL's hell. Unstructured, business logic mazes from drunk coders in 1972. One tweak. Cascade failures. Airlines grounded. Pensions vanish. Governments hired COBOL fossils at premium pay. Claude cracks it. Trained on synthetic data plus public repos. Understands context. This IF then handles payroll deductions. Outputs secure Java/Spring Boot. Benchmarks. 95% accuracy on micro-focus tests. Anthropic claims, full enterprise migration viable by 2027. Yahoo Finance warns, AI agents could destroy economy. Why? Agents don't just convert, they optimize. Autonomous coders building factories of software. No humans needed. $4 trillion global banking on COBOL. US alone. $2.5 trillion transaction volume daily. Modernize. Savings $100 billion per year. But chaos first. Detroit News. Legacy systems underpin everything. Winners. Hyperscalers. AWS, Azure gobble mainframe workloads. Anthropic. Claude APIs monetize at $20 per million tokens. Startups swarm. COBOL to AI converters. Losers. IBM. Legacy IT firms. Jobs. 1 million COBOL coders worldwide. Poof. Broader. AI agents per Yahoo. Program entire apps from voice prompts. Economy. 10 to 20% GDP from software/services disrupted. Recession trigger. Your portfolio. IBM down, but AI plays like Anthropic. Private. NVIDIA up 5% on agent hype. Diversify. IBM panics. After-hour statement. Our mainframes plus Watsonks outperform toy AIs. COBOL migration. Risky vaporware. They demo Watsonks refactoring COBOL clunky. 70% success. Too late. Street shrugs. Insider whispers. IBM scrambling for Claude partnership. Or sue for IP theft. Doubtful COBOL's public domain. Real play. Pivot to AI mainframes? Margins crushed. This is Act 1. COBOL's the canary. Next, SAP Oracle legacies.
AI agents per Yahoo, self-improving coders.
Build apps, debug, deploy. No devs needed. Economy? Destroyed if 40% white-collar jobs automate. Fed warns? Unemployment spike. Geopolitics? China rushes AI coders for their COBOL banks. India? PSUs vulnerable, watch SBI ONGC stocks. US DoD? $10 billion COBOL budget now AI bait. Decacorn. Timeline. 2026. Pilots. 2027. Mass exodus. 2028. Mainframes museums.
Moral? Legacy kills.
Ayungers. Adapt or perish. The COBOL apocalypse just began. IBM's fall? Warning shot. What's your take? Buy the dip or short tech? Drop comments. Smash like. Subscribe for daily AI/finance bombs. Next, AI agents versus Wall Street. See you.